Blessings of people, big up on yourself. I don't know, so this is Newlink from where? Newlink production. You don't know the thing going. I understand the people, and who they are people, and today Newlink come for talk about a very interesting topic right now, because it's not joke thing, it's not play thing, but some people intend to make this thing be a joke thing or a play thing or a con thing. But the man I make them know straight up say it's not a joke thing, him in the play thing, and if it you know come with the real thing, don't come. So a straight attack for the people and we are go towards them or the fake thing. So let me get into the topic fast and quick before them back. Say Newlink you talk too much. Well, my people, big up on yourself, alright? Alright, a brother right now who goes by the name of Errol Samuels, right? He published a story from the other day, saying about a lady who he might try to find. So when get pregnant from over 40 years now. Zin, over 40 years now, him get this lady pregnant. That means that from because this one is now 63 years old. So that when him in his 20s in the 1970s. Well, people, let me go into the full story of where the road it come from. Well, Mr. Errol Samuels now, who said he was employed in the 1970s to a hotel in Montego Bay called the Doctor's Cave Beach Hotel. I don't know if the name changed now at the time. Zin, he and this female did a work there. The female was a bartender while he was a waiter. You get me, as a people. And he said that they met and thing and them was in a local, you know what I mean, relationship thing where she do get pregnant. She goes by the name of Dolly at the time. Zin. So he said that he eventually him get a trip or a flight and him going to the United States. So him not talk if him run off or thing, but basically he make a move. You get me, I said that the States where him have to keep a low profile as to what him a say. So him say him lose contact with Dolly at the time. So him not have no more contact, meaning anyone in the 1970s or that gonna like no way they have them bag a cell phone and thing where people can easily contact. Most of them time they buy mails and telegram and all heap of something. You get me, as a people. So now he must say now him want to find Dolly and him would love to find him child. His child, because I don't know if it's a boy, I don't know if it's a girl, his child, because I want to play a role in our life now and in Pitney life. Well, people, the man are really a search for that part. So me just go now a update on what I go on now. The man said no, Zin, from that he published this out there on the media sites about a week ago. Him say up to now, him phone not stop ring off, meaning him phone are ring 24/7 non-stop of people calling him. Yo, I say yo, them know the lady, but when him check it out the full details, them not know nobody, but them a look somebody. You see, them a look a relationship or people would a call him first and I say yo, them willing to help and them sorry to hear about his story, but deep in the other end now, them a look somebody. You don't know, you know, just like the story I'm tell about the man where they are found the other day and he come down to the barrel and thing and hold it for something. So basically at many times, a lot of these females, they intend to have this trick inside of them where, you know what I mean, them can trick the local old man them, maybe because them depend on a certain age or certain things like that. They can trick them or something, which it not right, Zin, it don't right. And basically, what the man make them know straight up, the man say, listen, uno don't do that. If uno not interesting, uno please, if not interesting, if uno not know the whole thing or know the proof of the lady who might try to find, nobody call him phone, because that I know what him want. What him want is him Pitney and him want him Dolly. What him want him Pitney and him Dolly. You know what I mean? Maybe you the name that Dolly. That's sweet little girl at the time, you know, because most of them little girl who made them call Dolly. Always some little people who look like Dolly, and know them time they look taller and them. So him want to find him Dolly. Him want no need no scammers or no liars or no fakers. Well, alright. Mr. Errol leave a number, right? So him tell her the number, but people. The number is 203-223-8618. When I say the number was 203-223-8618. So if you don't have any proof or if you don't know nothing about Dolly or anything, please not contact the number there. And I'm going to leave the number also in the description below the video. So if anything, you fully know the lady. You get me? I say, please man, help out this situation, because the man, him really, Mr. Errol Samuels, him really want back his dolly, and him want him child. It's over 40 years now, so him a go see a big man now, you understand, and I hope he do find him child, if his child is still living or if dolly still living, you know what I mean, and he can reunite with the family and thing, and you get me, I say, maybe she married or something otherwise, or so, but still at least get his child and everything like that, you get me, and him no broke, because him they are foreign, and that's why the people are ring off him phone and them something there, because the man that broke. I mean, no say that if a man was a little broke, poor man with them see now, you understand, they would have call him phone and I say them want a relationship and them thing. It does to show you a lot of these people, them stay. So, for the real level people, you know what I mean, it's good for know some can come forward now, although they lose contact for the 70s, but he can come forward now and find the art and say, listen, you know, say, you know what I mean, I'm looking at himself, I'm going to get old and it's a big, yeah, it's a good look, it's a really good look, and you know what I mean, so a new link I can do now, you see for all of the people who are come forward now, and I go tell, yo, them want a relationship with Mr. Errol and a while, and something, you want to go on now, we don't get this sign now, attack, straight attack power now, don't go around the man thing, make the man find him dolly. So, my viewers and my subscribers, I don't know the thing going on. This is Newlink from where? Newlink Production. And we say, yo, special big up to man. Everybody in a St. Lucia, big up. Because they must say, yo, St. Lucia, and people say, Newlink, you do the video and you want to see a big up St. Lucia, you know. St. Lucia, big up on yourself, see? The whole Cayman Islands, big up on yourself, same way. Bahamas, Barbados, get me? The whole Caribbean, man. St. Thomas, Antigua, big up on yourself, you know what I mean? St. Kitts, Nevis, the whole of them place, the Montserrat, you see me? US Virgin Island, British Virgin Island, Jamaica, Turks and Caicos, the whole Caribbean, USA, America, Canada, the whole of Europe, big up same way. Africa, everywhere, Asia, everywhere big up. This is Newlink from Newlink Production. And we say, attack, Mr. Errol, you go find dolly. Remember that. Blessings, people.